Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Pump prices are set to fall for a second straight week. Dashan Hendricks tells us by how much.
Well, consumers will be getting some respite at the pumps this week. Petroleum has announced that it will cut the price of both E1087 and E1090 gasoline by some $1.30, bringing them to the lowest they have been in the last month. The price of regular diesel, it goes down this week by some 29 cents, while the low sulfur variety decreases by 38 cents. Kerosene is going up, however, going up by 54 cents this week. Propane cooking gas is down $1.19, and butane cooking gas is down 73 cents. It's now back to you.
Thank you, Dashan. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.77. The Canadian dollar cost $97.85. Sterling is going for $166.66, while the euro costs $147.89. CIBC First Caribbean says it's exploring a potential listing of some of its shares on the New York Stock Exchange. The bank, which is the region's largest financial entity, made the announcement on Wednesday, but said a final decision is yet to be made. It, however, said that consideration is being given because of the access the listing will give it to a larger investor base, enhanced liquidity, and greater access to capital. Victoria Mutual says the initial public offering of its subsidiary VM Investments closed yesterday after it was oversubscribed. The entity approached the public to raise just under $700 million, but saw investors offering in excess of $2 billion for the shares on sale. As a result, the offer was closed a day after it opened, which was 6 days ahead of the scheduled close. VM Investments is the latest of 4 IPOs in the last few days, which were oversubscribed multiple times, showing more money is in the market and people are having investments to put them in. And the JSE index gained 2,691 points today, while the junior market index lost 28. The stocks advancing included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Express Catering, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Pulse Investments, Salada Foods, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, Vasco Distributors, and Stationery Office and Supplies. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.